that you've done. All eyes we see be changed, can control destiny. And the reason we are living and the fight is still on is 'cause the heroes around us stand strong. Together we'll stand strong. And this bond will help us carry on. Yes, we'll stand tall. Though there's distance between us, our heart's gonna keep us strong. I can't forget that day. I thought that it would all end, but see, our strife because of your strength. There's hope we'll survive, and the reason we are living and the fight is still on is 'cause the hero